How to send money with Payoneer. So if you want to send money or pay someone using your Payoneer account, first you want to head to payoneer.com and then sign into your account. Now you want to click on the pay button on the left side panel, and then you can click on pay to a recipient's Payoneer account. Now you will need to enter their email address or name on Payoneer, or you can expand the recent recipients here to see people you've previously paid or sent payments to, and then you can pick one of the people that you want to send the money. Now you want to select the recipient as a contractor or whatever business you're doing, for example, a goods supplier, and then pay from my USD balance or whatever balance you want to pay them from, and then pay to their USD balance as well. Now all you need to do is enter the amount that you want to pay them, and the minimum is $50, which will tell you how much the recipient will get. Usually it's the same amount. And then you'll need to press next and confirm the payment, or you can also schedule the payment by checking this box here and choose a specific date when to send the payment, and you can also make it a reoccurring payment. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.